second generation Trans Am spans for a period of 11 years, 1970 to 1981. They have an early 70s model, a mid 70s model, and a late 70s model. The late 70s models are split up into two, a 77 to 78 and a 79 to 81. I have the 79 to 81 model, but personally, I prefer that 77 to 78 front end. Focus in, little freedom finder. Snowflakes, check. Shaker, check.
As we're chopping.
But he's got the grill missing, ready to go for some turbo air.
You do.
I've been hitting for a while now that I want to do a front conversion to a 77 to 78 nose. I pulled the trigger and started getting the parts on order. I didn't mind the 81 front. It just doesn't look the same as a 77. Good. Well, them headlights sure do look goofy with the 77 bumper, so I'll have to change that up. Another little piece to the Trans Am 77 front end came in. You got something else for that front end, front nose. All I really needed was the headlight bezels or the headlight brackets, but it was cheaper to get this whole piece. Got the right 77, 78 front end parts, so this won't have to look like it has Down syndrome anymore. It's looking good. This front won't put itself on.
Bear, what you think?
Didn't have the original hardware, so conjured up something of my own. So was missing some studs, so re-tabbed that all the way through. One on each side. Yeah, no. So this is happening. Jeez, that's awesome.